In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't start app or game on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're trying to start a game and it's just not letting you. For example, if I went on to Call of Duty, it's not letting me. There's a few different things you can go ahead and do. The first thing is press your options button and then check for an update for the game itself. And if it's, if it's on the latest version, then all you gotta do is go over to your settings application, go to system software, and then basically see if there's a system software update. And right now it says up to date for me, so that's fine as well, because that might be one of the reasons. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go to users and accounts while you're still in settings, go down to other, then you're going to see restore licenses, and then whatever game you're having issues with, go ahead and click on that and then just press restore right here. And it's as simple as that. If all of those things don't work, a simple restart, so if you just go over to your PlayStation button, press the power, and then restart your PS5, that should simply work as well. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.